This is addition of salt. Okay. Now, I am going to add them right now. How do we add this problem on board? The problem say evaluate salt 32 plus 3 times salt 8. Okay. Now, the first thing we do if we want to solve this is to simplify each one, right? Now, I'm going to simplify this and this, okay? Now, how do I simplify them? I will find two numbers that one of the two numbers will be perfect square and the other is not, right? The same thing with this place. What are the two numbers? That one of them is a perfect square and the other is none. The two numbers are 16 times 2. Okay, the two numbers are 16 and the 2. And 16 times 2 gives us 32 plus 4 times 2. These are the two numbers that one of them is a perfect square and the other is none. 4 times 2 is 8, right? Now, this one is a perfect square, but 16 is a perfect square, then 2 is not. 4 is a perfect square, but 2 is not, okay? Now, let's continue. Square root 16 is 4. Root 2 plus 3 times square root 4 is 2. Root 2, okay? Now, we continue. 4 root 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 root 2, okay? Now, the secret here is before you can add this sort here, before you can add them, you must have the same number in the square root sign. You must have the same numbers in the square root sign before you can add them. If you don't have the same number, there's no way you can add them. So I've succeeded in having the same number in this one and also in this, which is 2, 2, okay? Now I have the right to add them, right? I will now say 4 plus 6 is 10. Square root, I will now just take only one of them, square root 2. Okay, so if I just add the number outside the square root, just like 4 and 6, which is 10, I will now take only 2 to complete this. So this is the answer of the addition of the square root 32 plus 3 root 8, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please, I beg you to follow me and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and God bless, okay?